Got a small business, a side hustle, or a burgeoning empire you're building, and you're tired of sifting through personal transactions trying to figure out what's income and what's just your roommate paying you back for pizza? Are you looking for a way to streamline your customer payments, make your business look more legitimate, and access some powerful tools without breaking the bank? If you've ever found yourself nodding along to any of those questions, then you're in the right place, because today we're diving deep into something that could revolutionize how you manage your finances, the Venmo Business Profile. For years, Venmo has been synonymous with splitting bills among friends, sending quick payments to family, and generally making personal money transfers incredibly convenient. But what many people don't realize is that Venmo has evolved far beyond those casual interactions. It's now a robust platform offering specialized tools for businesses of all sizes, and its business profile is at the heart of that evolution. Think of it as upgrading your personal Venmo account from a casual cash app to a professional payment gateway, tailor-made for your entrepreneurial endeavors. Why is this important? Well, in today's digital-first world, customers expect seamless payment options. They want convenience, speed, and security. And let's be honest, asking a customer to just Venmo me to your personal account can feel a little, well, informal. It blurs the lines between your personal and professional life, makes bookkeeping a nightmare, and can even raise red flags with payment processors if you're frequently receiving large sums for business purposes through a personal account. That's where the Venmo Business Profile steps in, offering a clear distinction, enhanced features, and a more professional appearance. So, let's embark on a comprehensive walkthrough of the Venmo Business Profile. We'll cover everything from setting it up to leveraging its powerful features, and by the end of this, you'll have a clear understanding of whether this is the right tool to elevate your business's financial operations. Setting up your Venmo Business Profile, the foundation of your professional presence. The journey begins with creating your business profile. If you already have a personal Venmo account, the process is surprisingly straightforward. You won't be creating a completely separate account from scratch. Instead, you'll be adding a business layer to your existing Venmo identity. First, open your Venmo app. Tap on the three horizontal lines, or your profile picture, depending on your app version, to access the menu. Look for an option like Create a Business Profile or Get Started with a Business Profile. Venmo makes this option fairly prominent as they encourage business adoption. Once you initiate the process, you'll be prompted to provide some basic information about your business. This includes your business name. Make sure it's consistent with your branding. You'll also select a business category, which helps Venmo understand the nature of your operations and can sometimes influence how your profile appears in search results. Think about your industry. Are you a freelance designer, a small retail shop, a fitness instructor, or something else entirely? Choose the category that best fits. Next, you'll set up your business description. This is your chance to tell your customers what you do. Keep it concise, engaging, and informative. Highlight your unique selling propositions. For instance, handmade artisan candles crafted with sustainable ingredients or mobile dog grooming bringing spa-like treatment to your doorstep. You'll also need to add a profile picture or logo. This is crucial for brand recognition. Use a high-resolution image of your logo or a professional headshot if you're a solopreneur. This is the visual anchor of your professional presence on Venmo. Finally, you'll link a bank account for your business. While Venmo allows you to keep funds in your Venmo balance, it's always wise to link a dedicated business bank account for seamless transfers and proper financial tracking. This separation is key for good bookkeeping and tax purposes. One crucial point to remember during setup is the business type. Venmo will ask if you are an individual selling goods/services or a registered business entity. Be honest and accurate here, as it can affect certain features and compliance requirements. For most small businesses or freelancers, choosing individual selling goods/services is common, but if you're an LLC or corporation, select the appropriate option. Understanding the fees, transparency is key. Before we delve into the exciting features, let's address a common concern: fees. Yes, Venmo business profiles come with transaction fees, but they are generally competitive and transparent. For most standard business transactions, Venmo charges a small percentage per transaction, typically around 1.9% plus 10 cents. This applies when customers pay you through your business profile. Personal payments, as you know, remain free. It's vital to understand this distinction. When you use your business profile, Venmo is providing a service, payment processing, dispute resolution, and a professional platform for which they charge a fee. This fee is automatically deducted from the payment before it hits your Venmo balance. Factor this into your pricing strategy so you're not surprised. Always check Venmo's official website for the most up-to-date fee structure, as these can occasionally change. Key features of your Venmo business profile: unlocking new capabilities. Now that your business profile is set up, let's explore the features that make it a powerful tool for your operations. 1. Unique business QR code and payment link. This is a game changer for in-person transactions and digital outreach. Your business profile automatically generates a unique QR code. You can print this out and display it at your point of sale, on invoices, or even on your business cards. Customers simply scan it with their Venmo app, enter the amount, and send the payment directly to your business. No more fumbling for cash or trying to remember your username. Alongside the QR code, you get a dedicated payment link. This link is perfect for online use. You can embed it on your website, share it in social media posts, include it in email invoices, or send it directly to customers via messaging apps. It provides a direct, frictionless path for customers to pay you, regardless of where they are. 2. Separate transaction history. This is arguably one of the most valuable features for any business owner. All transactions made to your business profile are kept separate from your personal Venmo transactions. This means no more sifting through roommate payments and casual transfers to find your sales data. Your business transaction history is clean, organized, and easily accessible, making bookkeeping infinitely simpler. You can quickly see who paid you, how much, and when. 3. Business profile discovery. Venmo is more than just a payment app, it's also a social network of sorts. Your business profile can be discovered by other Venmo users. Customers can search for your business by name or category, increasing your visibility within the Venmo ecosystem. While it's not a full-fledged marketing platform, it does offer a layer of organic discovery, especially if your customers are already active Venmo users. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.